In this video, I'll show you how to create tasks in Microsoft Teams so you can easily organize work, assign responsibilities, and track progress in one place. Microsoft Teams lets you create tasks using Planner, also known as Tasks by Planner and To Do. This tool is built right into Teams and is ideal for team-based task management. To get started, open Microsoft Teams and go to the team or chat where you want to create tasks. If you're working inside a team, click the channel where the tasks should live. At the top of the channel, select Tasks by Planner and To Do. For more details, click on the task to open it. Here, you can add a description, checklist, attachments, priority level, and labels. You can also move tasks into different buckets to keep everything organized. Tasks update in real time, so everyone assigned can see changes instantly. Team members will also receive notifications when tasks are assigned or updated. You can also create personal tasks in Teams. Click Tasks in the left sidebar to manage your own to-do list alongside your team tasks. And that's how you create tasks in Microsoft Teams. Using tasks helps teams stay organized, meet deadlines, and collaborate more effectively. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Leave a comment below if you want more Microsoft Teams tips and tutorials.